Shoprite, Shoprite. No, Chocomilo. Oh my god. Last visit there. Alright, let's do it. Let's go. Oh my god, it's Rebecca. Hi Rebecca, how are you?
What time are you going?
Now, he's waiting for us outside.
Oh, okay.
But we want some chocolate first. They don't have the ones I like. King's one, but the red bar. But they don't have it. Hafiz, they don't have the red bar.
I got mine.
You got yours?
Chocomilo.
Okay, we'll do it.
It's the same thing.
No, I don't like coffee.
Oh, okay.
I tried that one. I bought these ones earlier from the store.
Okay.
These ones.
You can buy this one too.
Dark. I don't like dark.
Okay.
I want this one.
Oh, okay, kids buy.
Yeah. No. They don't have it, it's fine. Alright. Thank you, Rebecca.
Yes.
Yes, bye. Are we done? Anything else?